Hey Ed, what are you doing?
Hey, just we're getting ready to put this 2J on the engine stand over there. About to, put it together.
Nice, nice.
Kowalski file fit the rings for us, so we just have to snap those puppies on.
Bored and honed.
Yep.
The block has been decked.
You know how I know it's a 2JZ?
No, how?
Oh, it says 2JZ.
Oh, okay, cool. But basically, when we say decking the block, it's taking a layer off of the top of the block right here to make sure that it's perfectly flat for reassembly.
And the bottom of the head has been milled.
Yes, so it's the same process, but they call it decking a block and milling a head. So the head is all ready to go.
Looking quite fresh.
Yeah, it does. Looks brand new.
Yep.
So, and then we've got some pistons and rods over here.
Yep.
We got our pistons and rods. Let's see how beautiful.
Super beautiful.
Ooh, pretty. So it's a Saturday, and Ed and myself decided we're gonna come in here and assemble a 2JZ GTE.
Why not?
Might as well.
Yep. Get it done while we don't have any interruptions.
Yep.
That'll be good. And we have the crank sitting over there. We have a
crank over there. Okay.
Toyota gasket kit.
Nice.
And some BC cams
some
going
BC cams. All right. So we're not gonna film all this because it's a pain.
Yeah.
But maybe periodically I'll grab the camera and get some footage. Okay. Hey, buddy.
Hey.
How's it going?
It's going good. We got our main bearings in. Thrust bearing. Just snugging up the main caps right now before we start our torque sequence. Yeah.
Nice. Well, we got all the rings on the pistons in the correct orientation, and we're going to be putting those in soon as well.
If you want to know the correct orientation of how to put rings on, we have a video for that.
Yes, we do. It's actually on an RB, but
same difference.
An engine's an engine.
So we had some goodies come in for a Rival GTR build. First thing, this carbon fiber on this trunk looks amazing. Just look at that. Just look at it. So like I said, this is the trunk for Brad's Rival GTR build, and then we also have a Sabon. Is that how you say it? Sebon, however you say it. We have a hood for him too as well, so we're gonna unbox that too. Dang, son. Is this so this is the same one that Jeff has, right?
No, this one is different.
That is nice.
It is really nice.
Crap. I don't know. Dope.
Cool.
Yep. It's here.
Well, Brad, you got some cool stuff. Part 5.
Part 5. Y'all been like doing unboxings like back to back of all kinds of stuff. Brad, you just, every day is Christmas here with you, man. We got everything for you, so.
You keep us entertained.
Yeah, seriously. We get a lot of excitement with your stuff coming in all the time. It's just like, whoa, more stuff. So, I don't know what else has left to come. I don't really know. I guess we'll just find out when it gets here. So, we'll act surprised again. We're not going to act. We'll really be surprised, but you know what I mean.
Oh my God, it's carbon fiber.
Isn't that just beautiful already?
Now, for the viewers at home, let me talk about this thing.
Chris, talk about it.
Okay, what we have here is failure to communicate.
I knew you were gonna say that.
All right, what we have here is a billet collector for the SEMA Rival GTR build. Okay, big old wastegate right here. This is gonna go to the turbo right here. so. Hey Josh, it matches
Yes.
I would hope so, considering we sent them pictures of everything and mic'd everything.
So this is gonna be like this, and then Josh is gonna fab up all the runners to come into here, and then we're gonna have the tile wastegate right here. I don't know exactly how this is all gonna be orientated.
Yeah.
But
we've been waiting for this piece.
we
really,
had it special made.
Yeah, I
This
mean,
is custom.
yeah. Who made it?
Elmer Racing. Where are they out of?
They're out of somewhere in Eastern Europe, right?
Sweden.
New Zealand.
Sweden.
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 Yes. The Swedes made this billet piece for us. But yeah, it's a gorgeous piece of.
Yeah, I mean, look in there.
Look at that. Like, that's just, you can't do that by hand, you know?
Let's show Josh.
Let's show Josh, because he's not impressed by
Josh.
anything.
Oh!
It's good. I've always wanted to use one of these.
Making dreams come true.
I know it. See, because when you're making them, dude, it's a pain in the ass to like have to weld all this stuff on the inside and everything.
Yeah.
So it's nice to have just a piece here.
We're not done yet.
Okay. I know what this is. That got here quick.
DHL, man. DHL don't play around.
We've got another Spectrum manifold, but for an SR.
Oh.
The thing is just so good looking.
So where can you buy these from, Ed?
You can buy them from drivermotorsports.com.
Actually, they're not on the website yet, but we're working on that. We got to inventory these. We got to buy some, inventory them, but we are going to inventory these. So if you want one, contact us and we'll hook you up.
Yeah, we found it in the car today.
What are you doing, Dan?
Making the race car faster, man. I mean, like, everybody sees the, sees me take all these stickers in the vlogs and stuff, but I don't think they understand
How fast it's getting?
how fast this car is getting. There's two reasons that I'm putting all these stickers on my car. One, you guys will see and you'll understand when it happens. Oh my God, this is the worst. And then two, it's really funny when my wife drives a race car and then she's like, I don't know what any of this is. And then people look at her and see all the stickers and they're like, oh, she don't know. You have no idea how, like, people don't believe me when I say this is the world's fastest XB. Listen, I'll race anybody. Like,
I raced you this morning.
yeah.
Got that butt whooped by the Armada.
No, dude.
He was just sandbagging you.
See, this is like, you know, you're chasing the bays by the ocean, you know?
Like, look how fast this side is. And then look how fast this other side is. Both sides are incredibly fast, and he's just gaining more horsepower as we speak.
You can't see that.
And just for the records, these are all duplicate stickers. Dan isn't taking your stickers if you're buying parts from us.
Yeah, I mean, like, most of these companies send like 4 or 5 stickers anyway. Sponsor this build 3-piece.
Hook my man's up with some 3-pieces. Hey, can y'all make these Anzo wheels 3-piece though?
Hit up the dude on Instagram that does all the conversions. Be like, yo, could you do this?